In this video we will explain you how to create multiple ticket with Excel sheet. Brandon finds some tasks and he need to report them to multiple agents in his project. Download and open the Excel file which provided in the desk. Fill the details of the tasks that you need to report to the multiple agents. Enter the emails of the agents that you need to assign the multiple tasks. Set the service level agreements for your tasks. Save your Excel file as a CSV format. Then upload the Excel file you prepared. Once the upload is completed, you can download your Excel file. In Reported by Me tab you can see the tasks you assigned to the multiple agents.